up, everybody? We got this 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD. We did an interior lighting package. It's on the doors, the dashboard, and the footwell. It has these chasing LEDs where you can change the colors from your smartphone app that you can download. So you can choose different patterns like this if you like. It has multiple patterns. It has waterfall patterns, transition patterns, different type of flows, and different kind of color variations. You can also control the brightness if you like it dimmer, or you can also turn it completely off if you like. So this is a really cool feature, and this is compatible with any car. So if you guys want to upgrade your car, come by to the experts, Santa Clarita Auto Sound.